How to create new folder in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So in this video tutorial I am going to show the perfect method. So I am on my Windows desktop home screen. So here if you want to create the folder, just right click on it, go to the new folder and just select that folder. You can rename it like this, just rename it. Now you can open that folder by double click on it, and you can also create the subfolder or new folder under this main folder. Okay, this is our main folder, this is our subfolders. You can create the folder like this, so you can manage your data, projects, anything under by creating the projects in properly. Okay, you can create the anywhere folders by same process. Okay, if you want to create folders in downloads folder, just right click on it, go to the new and go to the folders and create the folders, rename it by clicking double click on it, just open and create a new folders, subfolders like this. And if you want to change the name, you can just open, click on it or click F2, or you can simply right click on it and go to the rename. And if your options look like this, you need to go in the rename options and rename it. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.